As you may know, Move to Asia just had a collaboration with TV French 5, member of the French television group, to discuss and share insight about home decor and the latest trends. We brought Juliette Guérin, that is a filmmaker and journalist, to a few different factories here in Vietnam so she could learn about home decor manufacturing in Asia. Today, I invite you to explore this exclusive journey behind the scene of our latest documentary, how we set up factory tour and showcasing the best of made in Vietnam products, so foreign buyers can understand how to take an edge in manufacturing products from Vietnam. Vietnam, once a gem in furniture industry, has now emerged as a global powerhouse. With an anticipated market revenue reaching $1.4 billion in 2024 and projected annual growth rate of around 10%, Vietnam is a new place to go for manufacturing. Ranked 6th largest furniture exporter in 2023, this growth is not confined within its borders. Vietnamese furniture has found its way into over 120 countries, including major markets like the US, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and Japan. From the cozy corners of Parisian cafes to vibrant interiors of New York lofts, Vietnamese furniture is a testament of the country's craftsmanship and its significant role in the global market. In this video, we'll peel the layer of production manufacturing in Vietnam, revealing the dedication and challenges behind products to disclose behind the scene of this industry. We open doors to the French journalists that often remain closed if you don't have the proper connections and relationship. If you want to watch the full documentary, including industry experts from Maisons du Monde and Conforama, two of the largest retailers in France, I will be displaying the link here so you can check it out. Before we jump into the topic of this video, we are Move to Asia, your go-to sourcing agency in Southeast Asia, nested in the heart of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. We can assist foreign buyers into finding the right supplier, doing due diligence on their behalf, following up the entire production control, all quality matters, and logistics assistance. If you want to learn more about Move to Asia, I will leave below in the description more details about our services. Don't hesitate to send us your inquiry, your product specification, the MOQ you are looking for, and we can assist from A to Z. At Move to Asia, we are used to organize factory tours for our clients, and everything starts with research and preparation. Vietnam's furniture is actually one of our strengths, and we attended a few weeks ago to one of the most well-known trade shows for furniture in Vietnam. When we got approached by Juliette Guérin, the French filmmaker and director of this documentary, she shared with us that she wanted to do more than just look at finished products. She also wanted to see inside the factory, get her hands dirty, and collect insiders' perspective to share stories and the processes behind making furniture. So our mission was clear: we would highlight the beauty of Vietnamese furniture and honor the craftsmen behind. So you may wonder, why Vietnam? The answer is actually clear. Vietnam's crafting furniture is a testament to its skilled artisans and their dedication to preserving traditional while embracing innovation. Bringing an idea to life is quite an adventure, especially in Vietnam. It demands deep research, connections, and execution. We explored the south of Vietnam far and wide, looking for factories that can highlight what Vietnam is mastering. We weren't after just any factory. We look for hubs of creativity, places where they dedicate themselves to the quality and beauty of each product, and where the art of furniture making is passed down from one generation to the next one. Choosing the right manufacturer is not easy. Some may not accept cameras, others don't want to disclose their current production or clients. If you want to choose a new partner or factory to work with, you must go through due diligence, meeting up with the key decision maker team, validate their reputation, methods, track records, and commitment to product quality. Okay, so we have our shortlisted factories. Now let's jump into setting up meetings, and in Vietnam that step can actually be tough. When we organize factory tours for our clients, we usually try to get the CEO, key decision maker of the companies, or at least the sales representative, to discuss pricing, terms and conditions. For this case, our agenda was quite tight and we could handle everything in 2 days of shooting. Here is the deal. Vietnam has its own special way of doing things. We got to know that being respectful and trying to understand it is important. Vietnam is unique in its traits and traditions, and that's where we come in. As a bridge between foreign buyers and factories, we assist entrepreneurs and global firms to plant their procurement routes in Vietnam. So at this stage, we have everything planned, we have all the meeting booked, we have Juliette on the plane on the way to Vietnam, and we have 48 hours to visit 3 factories in Vietnam. When the D-Day arrives, we wake up early and take a car directly to go to the Rattan Outdoor Furniture Factory. This is the first part of our documentary. This factory is well known in outdoor furniture, located in Dong Nai province, and they are able to produce high-volume rattan and poly-rattan weaving for outdoor furniture and decorative items. They are suppliers of some of the biggest retail shops in Europe and are able to do mass production. In this part of the video, the owner highlighted the differences in labor costs between China, Indonesia and Vietnam, emphasizing that all the techniques employed by his staff are handmade, due to the inability to utilize machines for their processes. My intention is to collect new catalog, pricing and discuss with the owner about specific needs for one of our latest US clients. The showroom displays the latest trends in sustainability, featuring natural colors and minimalistic designs. Right after, we head to a second factory that is specialized for indoor furniture. We had the opportunity to meet with one of our clients there who had just received his mock-up. This initial stage is crucial for transforming an idea into reality, assessing the physical manifestation of a new product line from his computer-aided design called CAD representation. We assisted him with overcoming language barriers and facilitated discussions with our technical team to pinpoint necessary improvement. Nested in the manufacturing zone of Binh Nhung, southern Vietnam, this factory is specialized for indoor furniture since 2013 with clients in Europe, Australia and the US. Their creation tells a story of tradition and quality with tailor-made design and affordability. By watching the workers at this factory, you can see their hard work and attention to detail. They carefully choose piece of wood for its strength and look, making sure it's the best quality for their furniture. By bringing the journalists to this factory, our aim was to showcase small-scale manufacturers in Vietnam that can accommodate flexible order quantities and custom designs. Collaborating with such factory allow new entrants to begin their manufacturing journey in Vietnam at price points that remain reasonable. After we quickly wrap up our visit, we go to a handmade and high-skill craving factory that is a big name in the furniture. They are known for modern designs and traditional skills, and they have clients everywhere. The owner welcomes us with a big smile and takes us around. The workshop is noisy with work and smells like fresh wood. Everywhere we look, there is something interesting going on. We see piles of wood ready to be turned into cool furniture and workers focus on their tasks. We watch them carve wooden sculpture by hand, which is really impressive, and it's clear they take care of every detail. To truly capture the scale of their operation, we even took some drone shots during our visit. From this aerial perspective, the sprawling workshop and meticulous piles of lumber became a testament to their dedication to their craft. The owner shows us some of the finished pieces matching with one of our latest client inquiries doing French-style furniture, looking to expand her production. After visiting this factory, Juliette can understand why clients like their products. It reminds us that even though a lot of things are made by machines now, there is still something special about things made by hand. As we sum up our tour of Vietnam's furniture making, we are moved by what we've seen and learned. The strengths of wood, the skills of workers, and the deep root of tradition here have shown us that furniture is more than just objects. It's about stories, people, and life. I hope that this behind the scene of the documentary we made with the French journalist gave you the interest to watch the full documentary of 50 minutes. I will leave below in the description the link so you can check it out. I also have the 7 minute that is really shortening all the Vietnam part so you can learn about the manufacturing aspect into making product in Asia and especially in Vietnam. If now you want to start manufacturing products in Asia, how should you do? You have usually several ways to approach this matter. The first one is that you can attend to some trade show happening in Asia. You can just Google trade show Vietnam or trade show China. You may find the relevant one for your industry. The second way is that you can go online. You have websites such as Alibaba or Global Sources. Also just write a few keywords for your product search. They may list you a couple of manufacturers that you can contact. Just be aware that if you go on this platform, you will never get the cheaper price. The best way is actually to contact a sourcing agent located in the manufacturing country that you want to aim for. It can be China or Vietnam, for instance. You send to the sourcing agent your inquiry, can be the product specification, your MOQ, and we can assist into finding the right supplier. Then you have a direct point of contact with the factory so you can get an actual accurate quote that usually will be the most competitive one. Then another way that you can approach to get a list of potential suppliers according to your product category is to download some list of manufacturers. You can check online, there are a couple of websites providing that, and we actually offer a 3,000 plus list of manufacturers in Vietnam in different product categories. I will leave also here the presentation about our program so you can learn more about that. If you are still here on the video, I hope you appreciate our insights and behind the scene of this documentary. I let you go below in the comment section and drop us your feedback. We'll be very happy to hear about that and to discuss further details if you are looking to consider Made in Vietnam products. You can also go below in the description and get useful links and resources about our different products and services. If you enjoy the video, leave a thumbs up and I see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.
And I'ma get it right, dead on sight like